Once upon a time, in a cold New Year's Eve, there was a little girl wandering the streets of a bustling city. She was barefoot and dressed in rags, clutching a bundle of matches in a futile attempt to sell them to passers-by. Snowflakes gently fell, covering the stone pavements in a thin white layer, yet not a single soul paid her any heed. The city lights shimmered in the distance, a stark contrast to her darkening world. Desperate and shivering, she found a small corner between two buildings to seek some shelter from the biting wind. The little girl decided to light one of her matches to keep herself warm. As she struck the match, it flared to life, casting a warm glow around her for just a moment. In the flickering flame, she saw a vision of a cozy living room with a fireplace blazing, a feast laid on the table, and her loving grandmother smiling at her. But as quickly as it appeared, the flames sputtered out, leaving her back in the cold reality. She struck another match, and this time, she saw herself in a beautiful new dress, dancing with joy and laughter. Again, the vision vanished as the match burned out. One by one, she struck the matches, each time revealing wonderful visions that took her away from the freezing streets and into a world of warmth and happiness. As her last match burned, the brightest and warmest one of all, she saw her grandmother, who had passed away. Her grandmother gently reached out her hand and took the little girl into her arms. In that radiant moment, she felt love, warmth, and comfort she had never experienced before. The next morning, the townspeople found the little girl peacefully lying in the snow, a faint smile on her face and the burnt remains of the matches around her.